It is a beautiful summer day. A duck sits on her eggs. She sits and she waits. She waits and waits. At last, the eggs open. But one egg does not open.
At last, my little ducklings. And why is that one not open? That egg is strange. Leave it. Leave my egg? No, I can't leave it.
She sits down again and she waits. Finally, the egg starts to open.
Oh, you're right. He is so strange. What an ugly duckling.
The little ducklings dived into the water one by one. The ugly duckling can swim. He can swim very well. And Mother Duck is very happy and relieved.
Come on, ducklings. Let's go to the farm. I want all my friends to see you. Hello, everyone. Look at my beautiful little ducklings. Very nice, very nice. But that duckling is very big and ugly.
He's ugly. He's really a strange, ugly duckling.
Go away, you ugly duckling!
Go! Yes, go! I hate you! You're ugly! The farm girl and her siblings don't like to play with him. So one day, the ugly duckling decides to run away. Far, far away!
Never return, you ugly duckling!
His siblings shouted curses behind his back. Why does everyone hate me? Because I'm ugly? But I didn't do anything bad. It's colder now. The ugly duckling grows bigger. He comes to an old hut and he goes in. In the hut is an old woman. The woman is old and she can't see.
What's this?
Quack, quack!
A duck? Ah, very good. You can give me some eggs.
Come on, hey, you there! Where are your eggs? I haven't got any. Then go away! The ugly duckling goes away again sadly. It is winter now, and it is cold. The ugly duckling has no place to go. One evening, the ugly duckling sees something wonderful and strange. 3 swans. Oh, what beautiful birds! Big, beautiful, and free! Who are you, beautiful birds? Take me with you! But they do not hear him. It is deep winter now, and it's getting very cold. There is ice on the water, so the ugly duckling can't swim any more. A man sees him. He breaks the ice with his shoe. Poor bird, come home with me. Thanks to the kindness of the man, the ugly duckling can live in his house with his family. The man's children want to play with him. Come here, you ugly duckling!
Come on!
But the ugly duckling runs away. He falls into the milk. The children laugh. Then he falls into the flour.
Oh, what is this? Get out! Get out of my house! Go!
The ugly duckling runs. And what happens? Suddenly, he starts to fly. He flies up into the sky through the open window. He can fly! He can fly! I can fly! I can fly! I can fly! The ugly duckling flies high in the sky freely. The sun is shining, and it is spring. Then he sees a garden with a river. What a beautiful garden! And he flies down. He sees something. He sees the swans. He sees the 3 swans swimming in the river. Oh, they're beautiful. I want to talk to them. But he is afraid. He sits down sadly at the water and sees his face on the water. He is not an ugly duckling anymore. He is a beautiful swan too. It's true. It's true he's not a duckling. He's not a duck. He's a swan.
It's me? Do I look the same as those beautiful birds?
Some children run down to the river talking to each other.
Look, Mother, a new swan. Look, it's beautiful.
Yes. Oh, it's a really beautiful swan.
Truly, isn't he beautiful?
The ugly duckling is so happy. He realizes that he is a swan, and he swims with his friends beautifully in the water.